Who had the truck last? This has to be the most dumbest shit that they've ever done. So nobody knows who did that.
No, somebody killed somebody. And I don't ask to drive. I don't even drive your car without asking you. Somebody hit a white woman.
That's blood in there.
It's your car.
Nigga, I didn't drive it all day.
You asking the wrong person.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Binks, back at it again with another banger. Now today, guys, it's getting a little dark outside. Wow, it got a lot of dark outside. Let me see real quick. Damn, it got dark fast as shit. It got so dark. Hold on, let me see. Maybe it's because I'm in the house. Oh no. Let's see what it look like when I go out there. Oh, I was gonna do some yard work, but I feel like it's too late, and I had a long day. I'm just coming out here to move my truck. Hold on. Am I tripping? Let me go get my flashlight. I know I ain't tripping. I know for a fucking fact. Taraja! Hand me my... Come here! I know they fucking lying. Bring your phone. Dude, are you fucking kidding me? Put your flashlight on this. Who had the truck last? It's a Key and P, right? Put your flashlight right here. No, tell them to come here. Dog. This has to be the most dumbest shit that they've ever done. Are you freaking, like, my truck? Usually I bag my truck up. And into my garage, and it's just like this. It's not bagged in, but I come out here to bag it up and to actually fix it, and it's a fucking hole in the front of my vehicle. Let's see what lie they try to tell. A fucking hole in front of my vehicle. A hole in my vehicle. Is that coming? I'm right here. Takia, come here. Who did this?
Huh?
Who did this?
Who did what? I don't know. Is that an onion?
Bro, you know that's not no fucking onion on my truck.
I didn't do that. I woke up at 1 o'clock today.
Leave it alone.
I didn't do that.
Or P.
Upstairs.
So nobody knows who did that.
No, somebody killed somebody.
Did y'all hit somebody?
Why you keep saying y'all? I was asleep. I don't know who did this. And I don't ask to drive. I don't even drive your car without asking you. Y'all hit a white woman. Somebody hit a white woman. You see this here? There.
It's hair on there.
It's hair there. Somebody hit a white one.
And it's blood on my truck.
No, it's not. Where?
It is blood.
Ew.
You did this? You did this?
Huh?
You did this?
It's leaking over here.
You did this? How many times did you have to say, huh?
Huh?
You ain't even looked at the truck yet.
Huh?
Did you do it, P? Look at it. So you did it. So nobody knows what happened to the truck.
What happened?
You don't see it?
Somebody hit a white woman. That's what happened. Look
It's
at the
hair and blood all in there.
I don't see no blood.
That's blood in there.
No, that's a light.
What?
Huh? What?
So nobody knows what happens.
No.
All right. Here.
What?
Your car leaking.
Where?
Right under there.
Put your flash on there too, Takia. So my car leaking fluids, and nobody knows what happened to it.
Why you don't know what happened to your car?
How am I supposed to know?
Cause it's
Put the flash on me.
yours.
How am I supposed to know what happened to my car?
Cause it's your car.
Nigga, I didn't drive it all day.
Me either. You asking the wrong person.
You didn't drive the car? What vehicle you used to go to the store?
I mean, my man laid up.
So nobody knows.
You stink.
Taraja, you was driving?
Me.
You.
You was driving, Taraja?
Oh, she did do that. Cause remember she had went to the store earlier?
Taraja,
Yeah.
you crashed my truck? Let's get in this house.
Yeah. Where you going?
On the walk. What do you mean, why?
It's colder. This is not the day for y'all.
No, I mean shit is dark as fuck. And what are you doing? Get in the house. Y'all don't need to talk to me until y'all figure out who hit my damn truck. Y'all don't need to talk to me until y'all figure out who hit my truck. Move, Takia. Shut your ass up. Now is not the time. Be quiet. P, can you please get out?
Why?
Can y'all please get out?
I know it's running.
Oh God.
So now I have to figure out.
So now you gotta get a whole new grill. Cause I know how to fix a light. I know how to fix a light. I got taught that at a young age. But putting on a grill, you don't know about that one.
Hey,
Get out. Because I feel like it was you.
Why you feel like it was her out of all people? Oh.
listen.
Oh.
Who was it? So neither one of y'all know.
Bro, why it always gotta be us? Can I have a juice?
Y'all got anything y'all see over there?